Welcome to Video 3, Forms of Business Ownership. Our learning objectives are to learn why most businesses are small businesses, determine the contribution of small business to the economy, discover why small businesses fail, explain franchising, outline forms of private business, and finally explain levels of management in a corporation. Small business is defined as an independent business with less than 500 employees. 90% of firms with employees have fewer than 20 people on staff, and almost half of the sales in the U.S. are made by small businesses. These are the major industries dominated by small business: construction, agricultural services, wholesale trade, services, and retail trade. When we look at the contributions of small business, we realize they create new jobs, account for 30% of U.S. exports, offer customized services, create new industries, and importantly, encourage innovation. So why do small businesses fail? Often it's management shortcomings, inadequate financing, and often government regulation. A franchise is often an alternative for someone considering starting a business. A franchise is a contractual business agreement between a manufacturer or another supplier and a dealer to produce and market the supplier's goods or service. Franchising can have its downside for both franchisors and franchisees. For the franchisor, if the franchisees fail in any way, that failure reflects on the brand as well as the bottom line. The same holds true for the franchisee. What is an entrepreneur? An entrepreneur is a risk taker in the private enterprise system, a person who seeks a profitable opportunity and is willing to take the necessary risks to set up and operate a business. The most common forms of private business ownership are sole proprietorships, partnerships, corporations, and not-for-profit corporations. The same business concepts that apply to commercial companies also apply to not-for-profit corporations, organizations whose goals do not include pursuing a profit. These may be charitable groups, social welfare organizations, but there are also museums, libraries, and hospitals. Corporations have a structure of management which includes the levels of management, the lowest being supervisory management, followed by middle management, then top management, then the board of directors, and at the very top, the stockholders. Consider the many types of businesses we have explored. Which one would you prefer to work in? Or would you rather start your own business? Would you consider a franchise? And if so, in what industry? Thank you for viewing Video 3, Business Ownership and Entrepreneurs.